Like, you'll not see this in outdoors with the Morgans. It's the very last day of February and we're out here today to see if we can get the first cuts done. Okay, first lawn, first challenge. You can see this fence is blown down. It's lying on top of the lawn. And obviously that has allowed cattle to get in. There's a couple of presents about the place. Farmers put a new fence up here, but let's see if I can just heel that out over. This lawn always has stacks and stacks of sticks all over it, particularly after the winter. Like that stuff there that would wreck your mower. You're having a laugh. Look at this here, these cattle have been everywhere. And it's really soft up the top up here. Look at that stick. There's more of the wreck at the top here. Look at this. And all these sticks. Okay, let me get cracking. There's the challenges of cutting grass in Ireland, boys. They should put that on the careers page. Become a gardener. Shovel everybody else's dung. You'll not see this in outdoors with the Morgans. I'm gonna keep the shovel out because I'm pretty certain I'll find more as we go along with. Let's get mowing. Alright, so I was just coming along there, and I could hear by the noise that she wasn't really cutting right, so I looked down, and this belt that drives the blower is just completely wrecked. So I'm wondering if one of those sticks has got in and blocked the blower, or if the belt just has had enough. So I think the belt has just quit. Yeah, there's grass and stuff in there, but it's spinning pretty freely, so okay, let's empty her, go up and get this belt changed. You go around there on your back. Let's bend you back in. And you come around there on your belly. And you back in. They say that things come in threes, so this morning I have had a fence blow down with the cow dung then all over the garden, as well as the sticks. Then my Stihl braces, this other side in here is broken and I don't know where it's gone. The wheel look that's on the trousers that holds it is broken. That's the second thing. Now the blower belt is burned off her. That's the third thing. That should be me today. Let's get this back on. Whenever I reach 200 subscribers, I'll give this away to some really lucky person. You can wear it as a necktie or something. thanks very much for watching. I'm going to end the video there, for I have a couple more lawns to go and do here. Moving the camera about and stuff is holding me up, so I'll not video them, but thanks for watching. It's great to be back out again mowing, and yeah, a couple of wee niggles and stuff today that we had to get sorted out, but these are the challenges that we all face, and we'll get them sorted. So appreciate you watching, and catch you in the next one. Thank you.